dhaoibh YouTube, conas to. So this video is going to be a little bit of a review about the movie poster and the movie itself, obviously, that you see behind me. I've seen Love, Simon twice now. Fortunately, the second time I got to see it was in the Savoy when they had actually stopped showing it, but the internet said that they were, and well, they didn't argue with the internet, and they said, well, you're not the only person that's asked, so we're going to put it on for you. So it's myself and somebody else on the screen, which was alright, it's grand. First time I saw it though, anyone else who's seen it might have had the same kind of feelings. I couldn't make myself comfortable again after watching it. And that's kind of a weird way to describe it, but I just didn't feel myself. Or maybe I was too much like myself. The movie hit home a lot for different experiences that I had, specifically around coming out and then a little bit later on, and also before I came out. So a long swathe of time. Yeah, and it's all kind of stuff that will come up every once in a blue moon, depending on what I talk about in different shout out workshops and things like that. So it's not like I'm not used to feeling these things. It's just kind of, it all just kind of came up to the surface again. I went to Outhouse on Capel Street, which is a gay cafe, and I was just sitting down. I wanted to have a cup of tea. I wanted to charge my phone. I wanted to make a couple of notes for the fellowship patrol and things like that. And it seemed like the right place to go. And I had set my sights on going there after the cinema anyway. But even walking to it and walking in the door kind of felt a bit like attention was on me. You know, oh, that guy's going into that place. He must be that kind of person, you know. And now, I'm sure nobody was watching me going in and out. You know, I don't think anyone really cared. And it's fairly safe to say that no one really cared. But I kind of just felt like that. And it's not even like stigma is the right word. It was just a little bit of discomfort, you know. A lot of things that the character faces in the film are a lot of things that myself and a lot of other gay people or trans people or people of the queer community will have faced at some point in their life. And even just even just being a teenager in high school or secondary school, as we will call it, you know, it's, yeah. Jennifer Garner's character, his mother, put it very succinctly in saying, it was like watching her son hold his breath for the last couple of years while he was obviously figuring out who he was. And then when he was out, he was able to exhale. He gets to breathe out. It's his thing that he has control of, that he can tell people when and if and how he pleases. Now, anyone who sees the film also sees that that doesn't exactly go according to plan either. But when it came to his parents, he had control. And she's right. This is our thing. This is our thing that we get to tell the world about or not. And then deal with it as it happens and what happens afterwards. I don't know. I felt kind of, yeah, a little bit uneasy afterwards, and I don't know why. I still couldn't figure it out. I'm still kind of trying to work it out. But the second time I saw it, I was happy. I left the cinema happy, got back on my bike, and managed to cycle home with the bloody with one of these on the handlebars because I had nothing to tie it to my bike with. So yeah, I was much happier. I was in a much happier place, but I knew what to expect with the film. Kind of knew what to. I had no real idea what to expect with the film, and it's done very beautifully. Mostly honestly as well, you know. But it's all done very beautifully. The stories, all of the different stories, from all of the different characters, but primarily, obviously, the lead's character. I'm watching some of the interviews with Nick afterwards. You can see why it meant so much to him to play it the way that he did and have the ability to play it the way that he does. You know, I don't know. I thought it was really cool. Certainly another film to add to my collection. I was going to use a word and I was like, I don't know. I'm still iffy about it. But yeah. So I thought it was very good. I recommend anyone going to get it on DVD or, you know, streaming it online or whatever when it becomes available. It's just a shame I didn't see it sooner. Yeah. There's not much else I want to say about it other than, you know, if you're going through something similar and if you need to answer questions or anything like that, drop me a comment, drop me a Facebook message or whatever. I will leave my own previous coming out videos in a link up here in one of the cards. Maybe some websites as well down in the comments for you guys to check out as well if you need to. Yeah. Listen, just a quick video to say how much I appreciated the film, how much I liked it, what I thought of it, and obviously showcase the posters. I got that one and another one from the Savoy because I was kind of bold enough to ask for one, and I got one with them all sat on the benches. And then I saw this one in the window as I was leaving, and I kind of went back in and I said, can I have the one in the window as well? And she said, well, look, come back to us tomorrow when we're definitely not screening it. So I did, and I got it. Gur míle maith with the Savoy. So, gur míle maith go ríis. To anyone who's feeling, as I said, a little bit of discomfort or uneasiness or uncertainty about coming out or anything else relating to being a member of our community, or if you're an ally and you want to ask questions as well, by all means, drop me a Facebook message, a Twitter or whatever, get in touch. I'll leave links to certain websites down in the comments, and yeah, have a very lovely day. Let me know what you thought of the film in the comment section below, and gur míle maith go ríis. Slán fóill.